STaCS DNA software helps you to manage 4 critical areas of your lab. This video focuses on lab integration, which covers the advantages of connecting all your mission-critical systems, your instrumentation, your LIS or LIMS, and other external systems your organization uses. Let's talk about each one of these areas. STaCS interfaces with and tracks all the instruments you use at the bench to process samples. We bring them all together in one system. This includes your liquid handling robots, real-time PCR, genetic analyzers, thermal cyclers, and any other instruments you would like to include. You define the instruments you want to use in each of your lab processes, and STaCS records the instrument details throughout your workflow. The instrument's barcode, description, and its current status are captured. So what does that mean for your lab? You now have a detailed record of the instruments used at each and every processing step, all in one system. STaCS even tracks maintenance activities for each piece of equipment in your lab so that you don't miss a maintenance deadline. You're also prevented from using an instrument that requires maintenance. That's the control part of what STaCS does. We prevent you from making mistakes. We've integrated instruments from these vendors into STaCS software. This list continues to grow to meet the needs of our clients. You don't require a LIMS to use STaCS. It can operate as a standalone system to manage your sample processing. But if you do have a LIMS, integrating with it is a good idea. Otherwise, you might have to re-enter information into both systems. Integration will save you time and prevent data entry errors. Whether your LIMS is commercial off-the-shelf or an in-house system, no matter. We've provided seamless electronic data exchange between STaCS and the LIMS used by all of our clients. If you work in clinical care, such as molecular diagnostics, your lab may require integration with clinical decision support systems or translational or other informatics software to interpret genetic tests and manage patient data. We deliver a standard interface, or we can support a customized interface to other laboratory systems. You tell us what you need, and we can make it happen. If you work in a forensics lab, STaCS manages DNA profiles and tracks data all in one system. You no longer need to manually enter sample profiles into CODIS or your local database. For both forensic casework and database labs, STaCS automatically generates the upload file, eliminating the need to retype profiles into CODIS or your local database, preventing typing errors and saving you valuable time. That's a quick overview of laboratory integration. No matter what type of lab you work in, STaCS gives you detailed information about the instruments used at every step of sample processing. It prevents you from using instruments under maintenance. And STaCS eliminates duplicate data entry, which saves you time and prevents errors. This software will ultimately transform your operations. Contact us today to discuss how we can help you meet the challenges you face in your DNA lab.